My name is Scott Wallen, and I'm the Industrial Maintenance Instructor here at Bullitt County ATC. Industrial maintenance is sort of a broad term. A whole lot of what we do is troubleshooting. This is a high demand job. It's a high return on your investment. I've worked with mechanics that make six figures. It's a combination of academic and hands-on. You have to have the knowledge base to draw from in order to use these tools to figure these problems out. Really and truly, your greatest tool is your mind. The skills that you have to analyze a problem, think it through, communicate with other people, come up with an agreeable solution, and then implement it. Those are universal skills. This is really hands-on engineering. I usually start out, we do a bridge project, which is using cardboard, hot glue, and it gives me a chance to have the students work together. Then we progress into movable objects where we have, scissor lifts. We actually get into building a robot arm out of cardboard and hot glue. Then we start getting into using live electric. So it's a building block process. Our certification, it's the NIM certification in industrial maintenance. There's 9 separate duty areas that the students can get. We focus on the basic maintenance operation certification, but they can get more than one certification in this program. It is a certification that is industry recognized. It's a natural progression from here right into an associate's program and further. Actually, 2 of the classes here are dual credit. The one big thing now is the Kentucky FAME program, where a student can go to school a couple days a week, they will go to work a couple days a week, and it all combines where they get their regular paycheck plus their education. It's all paid for, and they're getting on-the-job experience. The type of students that's interested in this program, the people that like to think, people that like to figure things out. I get students that come here from all over that have different experiences. So somebody that may not be familiar, but they're interested in this, I try to start from where they are and just build from there. So I would highly encourage the students that are interested, apply.